So now coming to the diameters of the skull. Firstly, we have to know about the anterior-posterior diameters. So the first anterior-posterior diameter we will know is the suboccipitobregmatic. Suboccipitobregmatic means from the nape of the neck to the bregma. Suboccipitobregmatic extends from the nape of the neck to the bregma and measures 9.5 centimeter. Then the suboccipitofrontal. Suboccipitofrontal extends from the nape of the neck to the center of the sinciput. So this is suboccipitofrontal and it measures about 10 centimeter. Then occipitofrontal extends from the occiput to the tip of the nose. So occiput to the tip of the nose and it measures about 11.5 centimeter. Then mentovertical is the middle of the chin or the mentum to the highest point of the sagittal suture. So middle of the chin to the highest point of the sagittal sutures, it is the largest and it measures about 14 centimeter. Then submentovertical. Submentovertical means the junction of the floor of the mouth to the highest point of the sagittal suture, and this measures about 11.5 centimeter. Then comes the submentobregmatic, which is from the junction of the floor of the mouth to the bregma, and this measures about 9.5 centimeter. So these were the anteroposterior diameters. Next, coming to the transverse diameters present in the skull. Firstly, the biparietal diameter. Biparietal diameter extends between the two parietal eminences. So this is the biparietal diameter. This measures 9.5 centimeter. Next comes the super subparietal diameter. Super subparietal diameters, it measures about 8.5 centimeter and it extends from a point placed below one parietal diameter to a point placed above one parietal eminence. So one point is below one parietal eminence and other point is above one parietal eminence. So this is kind of a transverse diameter and it measures about 8.5 centimeter as I mentioned earlier. Then comes the bitemporal diameter. Bitemporal diameter extends between the two anteroinferior ends of the coronal suture. So where the anteroinferior ends of the coronal suture is present, so if we connect the two dots, then it is the bitemporal diameter. It measures about 8 centimeter. And lastly, the bimastoid diameter, which extends between the midpoint of the two mastoid processes, and it is about 7.5 centimeter.